Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Review Corner. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about, the latest smartphone that's been making waves in the market. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you find it informative and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Alright, let's get started. Introducing the XYZ smartphone, announced on January 11, 2024, and released just a day later on January 12. This device boasts some impressive features and specifications that we are going to delve into in detail. Design and display. First off, let's talk about the design. The XYZ smartphone measures 161.1 x 75 x 8 mm and weighs in at 179 grams. It features a sleek design with a glass front protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and a plastic frame. Not to forget, it comes with an IP54 rating, making it dust and splash resistant, a handy feature for everyday use. Now, onto the display. This device sports a vibrant 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals. With a brightness of 1000 nits (HBM) and a peak brightness of 1300 nits, outdoor visibility shouldn't be an issue. Plus, the screen-to-body ratio of around 88.9% ensures an immersive viewing experience. Performance. Under the hood, the XYZ phone runs on Android 13 with MIUI 14, and it's powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra chipset, coupled with an octa-core CPU and Mali G57MC2 GPU. With configurations of 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage or 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage, this phone is geared for multitasking and storage-intensive tasks. Camera. Let's talk cameras. The XYZ smartphone features a versatile triple camera setup on the rear, including a 64MP wide-angle lens, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens. This setup is equipped with features like PDF, OIS, LED flash, HDR, and panorama. On the front, there's a 16MP selfie camera for those Instagram-worthy shots. Connectivity and features. Moving on to connectivity, the XYZ phone supports Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and even has an infrared port. Plus, it comes with FM radio and USB Type-C 2.0 for charging and data transfer. In terms of security and additional features, it includes an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, along with sensors like accelerometer, gyro, and compass. Virtual proximity sensing adds another layer of convenience to its features list. Battery and charging. Battery life is always a crucial aspect, and the XYZ smartphone doesn't disappoint. It's packed with a 5000 mAh battery, which supports 67W wire charging, promising to juice up the device to 100% in just 44 minutes, as advertised. Price and availability. Now, let's talk about pricing and availability. The XYZ phone comes in 3 stunning colors, black, blue, and purple, with a starting price of $194.50, €199, or £209 depending on your region. Performance testing. Before we conclude, let's take a quick look at the performance benchmarks. According to AnTuTu, the XYZ phone scores 386301 V9 and 428531 V10, while on Geekbench, it scores 1892 V5 and 1979 V6. In GFX Bench ES 3.1, it manages 15 frames per second off-screen at 1080p resolution. These scores indicate solid performance across various benchmarks. Final thoughts. So, what are my final thoughts on the XYZ smartphone? Overall, it seems like a well-rounded device with a beautiful design, impressive display, solid performance, and a capable camera setup. The addition of fast charging and ample storage options make it even more enticing. But, as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you considering picking up the XYZ smartphone? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.